Millions of years ago, before people became wise, they did not have any knowledge about anything. They did not know how to grow crops, weave clothes, make tools, or construct a house. Only Nyame, the god of knowledge, had all the wisdom which he kept in a clay pot. One day, Nyame decided to give the pot of wisdom to Anansi, who was really happy to receive it. But after he accepted the pot, a strange thing happened. He took the avatar of a spider. However, not to be swayed, he accepted his fate and continued to lead his life. Every time Anansi looked into the pot, he would learn something new. He would use this knowledge to solve problems of his fellow villagers and received some money for it. Soon, he became quite wealthy and started living a comfortable life. As Anansi grew old, he started fearing that someone would take the divine pot from him. He was greedy and wanted to keep all the knowledge to himself. So, he decided to hide the pot in a place where no one could find it. After thinking a lot, he decided to hide the pot at the top of the tallest tree in the forest. The next day, Anansi carried the pot with him to the tree to hide it. He did not notice his son, Kwekutusin, following him. When he reached the tree, Anansi tied the pot to the front of his body and started climbing the tree. The pot kept banging into his knees and he found it difficult to climb up the tree. He just reached the first branch when he lost his balance and fell out of the tree with a loud thud. He got up, shrugged his shoulders, and started climbing the tree again. This time, too, the pot made it difficult for him to complete the task. He just managed to reach the second branch when he fell out of the tree once again. Determined, Anansi tried to climb the tree the third time. This time, he managed to reach the third branch before he fell out of the tree. He was upset. He wanted to finish the work before anybody could see him. Just when he was staring at the tall tree, wondering how he could climb it without falling down again, his son, who was hiding nearby, came out. Father, I saw you try to climb the tree 3 times, but you were not successful. If I may suggest, why don't you tie the pot to the back? You will notice that climbing the tree becomes easy, he softly advised his father. Unhappy to see his son advise the most knowledgeable man in the world, Anansi tied the pot to his back. This time, to his utter surprise, he did reach the top of the tree. He sat in the tree for some time and thought, I am supposed to be the most knowledgeable man in the universe, yet my son was able to advise me how to climb the tree. This means that I do not have all the knowledge in the world. Then what is the point of hiding this pot? Disappointed by this thought, Anansi threw the pot down from the tree. As the pot shattered into pieces, the wisdom spread out in all the directions. Everybody in the world has knowledge and wisdom, and nobody turned to Anansi for advice any longer.